Ladies and gentlemen, firstly, thanks to Virender Singh for this evening. Donald Richards, all the best wishes on behalf of the Sikh community of New York for your campaign. Whenever we look at the world history, even in this country, for the last 200 years, how the have-nots, the deprived, who were once labeled as slaves, how they fought back. The success story, and when President Barack Obama was in the White House, that was the day we all people felt here that the struggle of the have-nots and in the electoral system, being in the system, still fighting for your rights, that is the answer to most of the problems. And certainly, when I quote great Martin Luther King, when he says, injustice anywhere is the threat to justice everywhere, that bounds us 7.5 billion people on this planet together. When we look at where injustice is happening, today the whole world is looking towards Middle East, what is happening in Gaza, what is happening in Jerusalem, what is happening in Afghanistan, what is happening in India, which just a couple of months ago, their leaders were claiming we are the Vishwa Gurus, we are the leaders of the world. But all of a sudden, how the people are dying, the basic amenities, oxygen, hospitals, beds, IC units are not there, as whole system has collapsed. And the answer in this country as well, in this New York City, we went through all that during the first phase of COVID-19, but we learned the lesson that how important is the infrastructure, how important is the community coming together. And I think this is very important that we all should get involved in the local affairs, election system. Though democracy may not be the best system in the world, but still, whatever systems have existed, democracy is the best. When we say of the people, by the people, for the people, there may be discrepancies, there may be hatred we have seen in this country as well. We have seen the worst part of that hatred. Even just 2 weeks ago, I was in Indianapolis, Indiana, where 8 people were killed by a mad gunman and 4 of them were from the Sikh community. Those are the challenges we all are going through. But one thing is very important when it is said, all politics is local. When we start from the very beginning, it may be at the council level, justice level, assembly level, congressmen, women, or senate. So I think it is very important that we should support those, and particularly when it comes to our other deprived people who have struggled in this country, we can feel that they don't have sympathy for us. They have empathy for us as they have gone through all that, and they can see that how Sikhs, even we have been in this country for almost 125 years. Towards the end of 19th century, Sikhs came into this country, firstly in California. Today there are more than 1 million Sikhs in this country. The first Sikh congressman was in the 1950s. Dalip Singh Saun. But in spite of all that, post 9/11, what we have gone through here, even we look at the data that how thousands of incidents of hate crimes have happened against us. So we have to be together, and I really appreciate Virender Singh, as our generation has done whatever they could. There were language barriers, first generation always struggles that how to fit into the society, how to be the breadwinner for all those who are behind. We have left in our motherland. But now the second generation, it's very important. We should get into the system. Otherwise, standing outside complaining that why this is happening, no, that is not the answer. We have to be in the system. And I really appreciate that now there are difficulties. It is at times we go through hard times, but for us, it is important that we should get involved, and I really give my best wishes on behalf of the, not only New York Sikh community, I travel around, and as Virender Singh has mentioned, TV84 is a channel which is viewed by hundreds of thousands of people around the globe, and this program, which is being recorded in this evening, this will be telecast tomorrow, and it will reach hundreds of thousands of people around the globe. The message is that we all must hang together, otherwise we will be hanged separately, as is the very famous quote of our president. Thank you very much, and all the best wishes, Richard. Thank you.